you have any candy with you?
No, ma'am.
What's this?
Oh, this? That's for…
Give me that. Let go. Sweet funky glasses you got there, Haley. Inside. Go.
Oh, man.
Hello, teacher. I'm loving your glasses. Thank you. I love them too.
What is she nom-nomming?
Good job, Sophie. Brandon, what did I tell you? Gosh, not again. Hey, Sophie. Don't touch me.
Give me one of those. Delicious.
Teacher coming in. Danger avoided. Wink, wink, partner. No snacks in class. That's not fair. In you go. I need to check you first. Your hands.
Ouch! I had an accident, okay?
An accident, you say? Then how come this arm is a lot longer than the other one?
Ah! My arm! My candy stash!
You tried to fool me? Detention for you! Into the classroom! Remember, kids, no snacks in my class. Got nothing. Good. At least not yet. Now, Brandon.
Ready? Candy incoming!
Score! Darn, you should use those skills in an actual baseball game. And the teacher doesn't suspect a thing either.
Last one! Nice, Sophie!
Good game, you guys! Way to go sneaking these yummies past the teacher! You want some? Here you go! Enjoy, you two!
Oh, man! My pencil broke! Oh, sharpener!
No, don't!
Why?
Look! My candy's inside!
Ooh, genius! Yum!
Shh! Don't tell anyone! Hello, kids! Could anyone lend me a sharpener? Ooh! No, don't! Oh, man! Perfect! Thank you! Now I may proceed writing those F's for you all. No, 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 no! The candy's all covered in pencil shavings! I can't eat that anymore! Take it!
No way!
What's this? M&M's, I see? All right, you won!
I got nothing, see?
And this? You don't have anything here, do you? This looks suspicious. Gulp. It's fine. You're free to go. Little does she know. It's not glue. It's cheese. Hey, give me that.
Sure, Hey, wait! That's not…
This glue doesn't stick!
She messed it up! Time for some gum!
I might want some. Not so fast! Give it back! Give it! Darn it!
Wait! Let me think! Hubba bubba! And tape! I think I got something! Let's put these two together! Go away! There! Let's see!
Whoa!
Come on, try it!
Cool!
What's going on? Working nicely? Aw, that's great! Stop!
No! Oh no!
No food!
What's going on? Whoa! How am I gonna save my snacks? I know! I'll pretend I'm fat.
Why, you little… Go!
Sheesh!
Oh! Brandon! You've… grown!
What?
Ah, nothing! Come on in!
Oof! What happened?
I ate a huge watermelon! No, actually, I got something.
Candy!
Sophie, no snacks in class! Spit it out!
Okay, teacher. What a bummer! And I'm so hungry, too!
Hey, those are not candy.
I've got an idea! Almighty scissors! Get to work! Chop, chop! Done!
She made a container for her candy! Brilliant!
Okay, fine. Have some.
Yay, candy! Nom, nom, nom.
Yum!
And the best part about this disguise is that the teacher will have nothing on these sticky notes. No candy? Must have been my imagination.
High five!
Whoops! Stop here, Missy! You know there's no food allowed.
Oh gosh, not again.
You never learn, do you? What's that?
Oh, it's pencils for penciling.
Ah, all right. Go in.
Guess what? I snuck some chocolate in.
Can I?
No.
Pretty please?
All right, I'll split it in two.
No, 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 no! No snacks! Give it back! Get back to work! Meanwhile, I'll deal with this.
Hey, teacher, that's mine!
Nothing to see here.
Oh boy, nothing like a bag of chips during class. Can't open it. Check this out.
What is going on? Brandon? No snacking during class.
Wait, I've got an idea!
Let's take the chips and a bag of wet wipes. They usually have these lids that can be used for eating chips too. Just don't forget to cut a hole in the bag.
What the?
Go ahead, Brandon. Dig in.
Oh, boy!
Just be sure to hide it. Ooh, wet wipes.
Those are not
Wet wipes. Goodness gracious! Those are chips?
That's not mine.
No snacks in my class. Detention for you two.
What is she doing? Haley, are you mining for gold under your table or what? Haley!
Oh dear. Hey, Miss Petunia. I was just mining for gold.
Give me that. That too. For the last time, no food in class.
Ugh. I am not doing any art until I dig out my jelly worm out of the pencil case. Right! Take a set of colored pencils and hot glue them together like this. This will be your secret treasure chest lid. Now, arrange your jelly worms inside this section and use the pencils to cover them up. When the moment is right, open your jelly worm chest and secretly enjoy your sweet treats. Sweet and sneaky. Art class is all about creating something beautiful. Unless… Hey, Tina, could you? Ew! It looks like an alien is about to hatch in there. What? What do you mean, what? Is there something weird about my face?
What's not weird about your face?
I didn't know pimples could grow this big. Okay, think. Concealer. In my backpack somewhere. I hope no one will notice.
What is that? That is not the paint we're using today, Missy. Art on the paper, not on your face. Understood? Haha, busted!
Brandon! Hey, Tina, look! Take this! Nope, that is not real glue. It's just a small tube of concealer disguised as one. All you need, really, is a proper label. You're welcome. Thank goodness! A concealer? Just what I needed to cover up that pimple. No assignments will be done until this snowy mountain peak is taken care of. This is a real lifesaver, Sophie. Yeah, I know. What you gotta say now, Teach? Is this art class? Totally overslept!
As you always do.
Okay, what are we supposed to do here? Well, sleepyhead. Here, paint. Oh, yeah, paint. Yes, of course. So, Tina, how do I paint? Not an early bird without a morning booster, are you? Good thing we've got just the Energizer at hand. Am I still dreaming, or are you really drinking paint water? Ew! Take a smell before judging, girl. No way am I smelling this! Coffee? Yep, you heard that right. So fill up that paintbrush cup with coffee instead of paint residue, and we're good to go. Just be sure not to use this one for actual paintbrush washing. Just a sip of coffee and… my power! My knowledge! It's all so clear now. The proportion of the sunflower petals combine the color of the vase in the background.
What is this? Masterpiece! This girl is breathing out true art! And this one… oh, dearie me, I need some coffee.
Coast is clear. Mayday, mayday! Coast is not clear. I repeat, coast is not
Haley? For the millionth time, no food in class.
Busted. Right. It's in my backpack. Can't even bring a few Fruit Loops these days.
A few?
Here. Happy?
I will get a trash bag. Or maybe I should call a cleaning service.
Call? Sounds like a call for a craft. Take a Fruit Loop and decorate it with frosting. Add some sprinkles on top. Make as many sweet mini donuts as you need in order to cover up a phone case. Stick Stick them on using a bit of edible glue. Cover the whole surface of the case, and we're ready to head to class.
Well, how's my favorite muncher doing? Oh, nothing edible on your table this time. Gotta cancel that cleaning service.
Yeah, go ahead, teacher. Don't mind me having my well-deserved snack. Don't forget to brag to some of your friends while you're at it. There's no stopping these fellas from getting their sweet sugar dose even during class. Unless…
For the millionth time, Brandon, no candy in class.
Fine. Can't even bring a single bite to class.
Is that what you call a bite?
There, Miss Evil Ice Queen Petunia.
All right, class dismissed.
This sucks.
Wait a sec. No one uses these office folders. Just the thing that I need.
Take out an office folder and cut out one side of it like so. Use hot glue to attach more folders side by side. There we go. Now you've got yourself a camouflage hiding spot.
Enemy on sight. Not looking. Coast is clear. Scavenging for sweet supplies. Epic success. Psst, Tina, fetch. A Snickers for you, Haley, and a pack of sweet joy for me.
Do I hear something rebellious? Well, it seems that a bit of discipline sure does the job.
A bit of discipline sure boosts everyone's creativity for sneaky plans like this. Am I right, Brandon?
Mission accomplished.
Writing an essay, ladies? Done. That was easy. Easy for you to say. Gotta pass this test with flying colors. And you know what else could use a new shade? Come here, precious lip gloss. Gotta look fabulous when I get that A+. Are you out of your mind? Miss Dudley, Mia is putting on makeup instead of writing the essay.
Oh, really now? My oh my! This shall not be tolerated!
Tina, why you…
You disobedient, immature child! Instead of lip gloss, you could use your writing supplies more, lady.
Like this marker? Take out a marker or a highlighter and remove the tip and the core. Pour your liquid lip gloss into the container and don't forget to close it afterwards. Now take the lip gloss applicator and, using hot glue, stick it onto the cap of the marker. The teacher will suspect nothing about this innocent-looking marker, right? Ready to take on an essay on Greek goddesses, Tina? Whatever. The teacher says that I should use my writing supplies more. So be it. I'm so gonna tell the teacher.
Ladies, please focus.
Sorry, my bad.
That does it. The food police is ready for duty. No sneaky snacks on my watch. Halt! Raise your hands, mister. What's that in your bag, huh?
Well… Oh, my. How did this get into my bag? What is wrong with her?
Next. Okay, Tina, your hands, please. Pockets?
Not even a single bar?
I'm not done. Did you really think this would work?
Hi, Miss Petunia.
Hold it, Missy. Backpack? Were you even trying? Hope you've got your art supplies ready for class.
Of course, I always have all of my school essentials at hand. Fruity Chews are amazingly sweet and soft enough to form a round and flat shape so they can fit inside a watercolor case. Just be sure to clean the case beforehand. Add different flavors so you have a whole palette of different candies. Not even an X-ray scanner can pick up on this artsy hack. And by artsy, I mean the art of deception. Desperate times call for colorful measures, am I right? Yum! Girl, you could have at least waited for class to start. Whatever. Hey, Haley, you know what day today is? Oh my gosh! I absolutely forgot about the dance. No time to waste. Gotta put on my special makeup ASAP.
What is this ruckus in my class? Ladies, that lipstick is not for writing assignments. I will have to take that away.
Sure, Miss Petunia. Here.
I will keep this in mind when grading you, Missy.
No Cinderella look tonight. Where's that magical fairy when I need it?
Don't ask me.
Pencils only, she says. Pencils it is. Remove the eraser and wrap the end with a piece of baking paper. We need to create a tube like this. We will also need to put that lipstick inside somehow, so melt it in a bowl. Use a syringe or a pipette in order to pour that liquid lipstick into this tube. Wait a bit until it cools down and remove that baking paper. Looks just like the old pencil eraser. The teacher says pencils only? No problem. Well, Miss Petunia, what you gotta say? Thought so. All right, we're ready to put on that fabulous look on ourselves. Sneaky DIY style. Lips. Mwah. Perfect. And you know what? You can even use lipstick as eyeshadow. Yep, you heard that right. Gorgeous! Ready to party?
Wow, Mrs. Paisley won an award! But that doesn't mean she's gonna be nicer. And where are you going, young man?
Is that broken?
Oh, yes!
Fix it with this! Let the feast begin!
Back to me and you're there! Hey dude, catch!
Oh dear! Thor's a bit of a bully. At least when he's hungry.
No matter what you do and how you hide those snacks, the trusty snack scanner and Mrs. Paisley are the fear of every hungry student.
What is this? Oh, sorry. A candy bar? No can do. Oh, meow. Hey, be careful where you throw that thing. Here you are, my fluffy. Oh no. My snaps! Oh well, I still have some spare. Chocolate ears.
Can I?
You wish. Bring some yourselves, boys! Quick! She's distracted! Oh, well, that didn't work. Please! Hats off before, a lady! Off you go! Oh, hi, Batgirl! I am taking that. Now hold still! Why did that thing beep? Okay, you can go.
Yes! I did it!
Hey, what's up?
The bat logo on her bat belt is actually a bat cookie. Perfect with Nutella. She even has one for Chris.
Class is starting! Come on in!
Even if we know we can't bring snacks into class, we still try to do it. We hope that our teachers will let us through at least this once. But rules are rules, girls and boys. Ugh, okay. Miss Ivy, turn around. I got nothing on me.
All right, you can go in. And where are you going? Miss Ivy thinks she's clever.
Huh? Where did it go? Well, if I can't have that, I'm gonna have to improvise. Ivy's not a nice girl. You better not get on her naughty list. Superman's flying away with a pack of Cheetos! But there is some trouble up ahead!
Let me take this one.
What? You're not taking that! No way! All right, you won this time. What's wrong, man? I couldn't sneak my snacks into class. How about I give you some marshmallows for you to bake? Great idea!
It's amazing if you have someone to depend on in class. Then you can enjoy the results of your friendship together.
What is going on here? You boys are going to the principal right now! Whoops! Someone's coming! Stop right there! That's not a cast! Oh no! My snacks! Teachers are so overloaded with paperwork. That's why having a super strong Wonder Woman in class is such a relief.
Let me help.
And a perfect way to sneak food into class. Hey, why don't you share with us? All right. Here you go. Hey, me too! Once you sneak food into class, sharing is a must. Oh no, the food police is on duty! Come on, show me your backpack! Out! Captain America's in trouble! Out! Are you kidding me? Throw it away! Unbelievable! All this food smuggling makes me so stressed!
How do you do, fellas? Let's start our day with a class picnic. Hey, get back here! There you are! Ta-da! Please, help yourself!
Mrs. Paisley forgot that Captain America's shield is like a boomerang. No matter where he throws it, it will always come back to him. What are you doing? Into the bin! All of it! These guys just can't catch a break, can they? You too, mister! Here comes Mystique. She already knows what's going on. Better think of a plan, and quickly. What? The principal wants to see you. It's about your holidays. Worked like a charm. All those snacks? Mine. What? Hey, that's mine! No, it's not. Finders keepers! Okay, blueberry face! If it's yours, then come and get it! Mystique is the absolute queen of confusion. You really don't want to annoy her when she's hungry.
Mrs. Paisley? What are you doing?
Oh, no food in class, darlings! What? I have nothing! Oh, yes, you do! Chloe, please! Not this trick again! Incredible's suit is so tight, he couldn't possibly have anything up his sleeve. But Mrs. Paisley will check him with a candy scanner just in case. Alright, go on! But sometimes, things just go beyond her reach. Especially if you have super stretchy arms. What? Cheetos? Unbelievable!
Here, have a candy bar.
Why, thank you! And an old shoe? Maybe you should stop now.
Hey, Kaboomers! Wasn't that a lot of fun? What do you think about our video? If you liked our video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Kaboom for more amazing stories like these. Stay tuned and see you soon!